Happy Rakhi! Hello. Welcome to a fresh vlog. Starting it off with a quick fit check before I rushed outside because my mother had already started the Rakhi ceremony with my Nana ji. This time she also tied Rakhi to me, which was a new ritual that we've started. We're going to leave in a few minutes to go to different families that we celebrate with, wherever my brothers, my mother's brothers, and like our family is. I'll show you some of it. I'm not fond of showing my family on the internet, it's just not a vibe for me. Let's go. Funnily, most of my cousins are actually younger than me by a decade or more. The few older cousins that I have actually live in different countries, but I'm not complaining. Celebrating Rakhi with these cuties is too precious, and they all get little treats from me. Can I get a hug, please? Thank you. Rakhi in all Indian families I think is quite chaotic. इसको यहाँ जाना है, उसको वहाँ जाना है, ये वाली राखी मिक्स मत करो, ये वाली मिठाई रह गई, यही चलता रहता है पूरे टाइम. इसके बाद हम लोग निकले गुड़गांव से दिल्ली इन रेनी सीजन विद ट्रैफिक इन इट्स फुल ग्लोरी. आई डोंट हैव टू टेल यू द ट्रैफिक बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड गुड़गांव, ब्रो. In this exact moment, I felt so relieved to have carried my laptop because I had something to do. I was editing a YouTube video that I had to go live the next day. But that was only until I started feeling motion sickness. इसके बाद अपने दोस्तों को इतना मिस किया मैंने क्योंकि टी के साथ 3 घंटे कहाँ निकल जाते पता भी नहीं चलता. बट बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस आई वाज डेड, आई वाज स्टार्विंग. Finally पहुंचे and I met my little cousins and I got a little reminder why I don't want children of my own. रिलेटिव से मिलो तो एक मैंडेटरी शादी का डिस्कशन तो होना ही है. वी डिस्कस्ड अरेंज मैरिज प्रायोरिटीज एंड हियर इज अ जिस्ट ऑफ माइन. आई हैव नो इंटरेस्ट इन arranging a marriage, getting married, having children. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
You don't feel the need of it as well.
No, I'm okay.
It is good if you get married as well.
I agree. If it happens, I won't stop. But if it doesn't, I'm not going to push it. फिर फाइनली आ गया मच नीडेड बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ एनी इंडियन फेस्टिवल, द फूड. आई हॉग्ड like I have never hogged before. I ate everything I could possibly lay my eyes on. And I was happy after that, needless to say. In the evening, we decided to take a little trip to a nearby locality in Rohini, which is where I used to live with my family till I was about 11, 12 or maybe 13. We just came back to live a few old memories that we have. इस एरिया में फिश मार्केट लगती थी ना, याद है मुझे. एक बार मम्मा लेके गए थे मुझे. I actually lived with my family only for a short while. For the most part, I used to come here to spend summer holidays with my cousins. कहाँ है अपना वाला घर? Here we are. So we have come to the place where we used to live. This floor, this one right here is where we used to live. Now I'll show you the mandir where we used to go when we were children. On Tuesdays for Hanumanji we used to buy prasad. My mother's old friend recognized her and invited us home. I have a foggy memory of the younger versions, of course. They used to take us out to these Japanese parks during summer vacations, and that's my entire memory of them. This is the mandir we used to visit every Tuesday. They still have the same Hanuman idol. This is exactly where I learned the entire Hanuman Chalisa, and I still remember it. I also saw the storage where we used to keep our baby cycles. There is something about visiting old places, remembering old memories. It's like you're transported back in time. Also, we were probably the last generation to have played outside. I mean, Gen Z could never. Ending the day with this was such a great idea. By the end of all of this, my heart was so full. I was so happy. I was smiling the entire time, and it did help that the sky looked beautiful that evening. After this, we left for our home, which is exactly what I wanted. I was dead by the end of this. We had to make an unexpected pit stop on the way, and in this moment, I was just dying to jump into my bed. Thankfully, we didn't stay here for too long. We left. I got home, changed, and admired my 2 beautiful Rakhis that my mother tied, and I hit the sack. It's been 20 days since I last vlogged. It's early in the morning. I have just come to a friend's house. I and the girls are going for a little trip on a Monday morning. We're leaving early in the morning because we are going to a mandir, which is going to be a little bit of a road trip. We're going to Mehendipur Balaji, which is a popular religious destination, and it is also popular for other interesting things.
3 hour exact दिखा रहा है जैसे बोलते हैं ब्यूटीफुल
ये ट्रिप का आइडिया भी इन दोनों का ही था. I just wanted to go somewhere with the three of us, so here we are. Passing the time was not an issue on this trip. The three of us were meeting after several weeks, so we had lots and lots of things to talk about and lots of people to judge. Cool weather and beautiful cloudy skies go great with great tea with your favorite girls. टाइम कहाँ जा रहा था मुझे तो बिल्कुल भी रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा था. And before I could even take a breath, we were already at our first pit stop for coffee and snacks. I'd already had my morning coffee before leaving, but अब तो third wave दिख गया यार. There's no way I'm missing my favorite mocha here. I walked in with a bag on my shoulder and two under my eyes. The coffee shop was in the mountain area. The view was excellent with all these clouds and the great weather. It was a perfect spot for us to continue chit chatting, and now we could do it with great coffee and a bagel. The vibe of the place was really peaceful, the staff was really kind. Coffee, although, was quite average. Not like the usual third wave mocha. Babu, chalo. I can't stop staring at the clouds. Look at them. It's been a while and now we're entering the village area and about to see things that we don't usually see in the cities. Look at these beautiful women. रास्ते में ऐसे ट्रेन जाते देख के काफी एक्साइटमेंट बन रहा है शहर की लड़कियों में. इतने प्यार भरे मौसम और इतने प्यार भरे व्यूज के साथ हम फाइनली पहुंचे अपनी डेस्टिनेशन. वी पार्क द कार आउटसाइड इन द पार्किंग एरिया एंड वी हैड टू टेक अ रिक्शा टिल द इनसाइड वेयर द मंदिर इज. 5 मिनट की राइड के बाद we reached the मंदिर area and we paid $50 for this in case anyone wants to know. We didn't realize कि सड़क पे इतना पानी होगा. We've all left our chappals in the car, but honestly all of our attention was on what we were about to see. We started seeing woman after woman holding on to these bars and people next to them, presumably their families or friends, waiting patiently. Honestly, we were just trying to keep enough distance because it was quite scary to see all of this. One of these women was actually out of control, and we also saw these handprints all over the walls. ये सब क्रॉस करके we finally reached the main temple. काफ़ी भीड़ थी वहाँ पर, but thankfully they had managed it well enough to keep it moving. The main shrine area was slightly decorated and it was insanely crowded. All three of us were just trying to protect each other the whole time. After this, we entered another temple which was a lot more decorated and it was beautiful. After this, as we started walking away from the mandir area, a woman literally jumped right in front of my face, which left me feeling something like this. She was trying to get money out of me and it looked something like this. तुझे बोला है तेरा भला होगा दे मुझे. This girl is not that scary, she's actually pretty cute. Needless to say, हम तीनों काफ़ी डरे हुए वापस आए थे and the first song we chose to jam to was Hanuman Chalisa. यहाँ से निकलने के बाद भी हमारा थ्रिल का कोटा पूरा नहीं हुआ था, so we decided to extend the trip, take a little bit of a detour, and our curiosity for thrill landed us in Alwar. My friend knew a local person there who graciously agreed to take us around, and our first stop was this place which had two temples of different religions adjacent to each other with no wall between them whatsoever. It was really heartwarming. It also had a great view of the city.
crazy view though.
Our host was too kind and took us for a meal as well. We arrived at this beautifully located resort which also had a restaurant. The food actually was quite average, but again, the views and the vibes were 10 on 10, bro. After our meal, we were just exploring the resort. I mean, the views and the weather, everything was just working for us. Needless to say, we didn't want this day to end at all. So we arrived at another beautiful location. Let me show you how it looks. There was a fort right next to the lake, and we were told it had great views of the lake, so we started walking and climbing to the top of the fort. Well, yeah, this view could literally fix me right now. Our waiter for the day. This is our waiter.
पधारो सर. This is Alva. This is Dhalka.
Guys, where are we?
Alva. About sorry. फिर से.
Later, I spotted this really cute guy and I told my friends I was kind of into him and I was really hoping he'd come up and talk to me. But then I noticed he was kind of into sugary drinks and was littering everywhere, and I don't know if I'm into that. इसके बाद भी we just wanted to keep going, but it started raining heavily in Alwar, so we had to hit the road back home. It was the same night when Gurgaon looked something like this. Thankfully, by the time we got to the city, there were only a few mild traffic patches left. Our very last pit stop was this plate of my beloved momo. इसके बाद I left for home, immediately hopped into the shower and did an extensive skincare routine. And बस इस पॉइंट तक मेरा फुल्ली हो चुका था. I just got myself a comforting hot beverage, dreamt about sleeping for an eternity, and I hit the sack. It's my second vlog. You're supposed to know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe.